The 2025 Volkswagen Multivan is a significant evolution of the brand's iconic people mover, delivering a compelling blend of practicality, advanced technology, and refined design. Built on Volkswagen's MQB Evo platform, this latest iteration redefines what a modern minivan can offer, catering to families, professionals, and adventure seekers alike. The Multivan's versatility, eco-friendly powertrains, and innovative features solidify its position as a premium option in the competitive people mover market. Exterior design and dimensions. The 2025 Multivan's design leans into contemporary aesthetics with a bold yet elegant presence. Its clean lines, LED lighting elements, and aerodynamic contours reflect Volkswagen's modern design language. Available in both short wheelbase, SWB, and long wheelbase, LWB, variants, the Multivan adapts to varying space requirements. SWB dimensions: length, 4,973 mm, width, 2,252 mm, 1941 mm excluding mirrors, height, 1907 mm, wheelbase, 3,124 mm. LWB dimensions: length, 5,173 mm, width and height remain unchanged, ensuring similar road presence with added interior space. The large sliding doors and low step-in height enhance accessibility, while a range of wheel designs and exterior color options allow for personal customization. Both versions provide excellent luggage capacity, 469 liters with all seats in place, expanding to 3,672 liters with the second and third rows folded. Powertrain and performance. Volkswagen offers two main powertrain options for the Multivan. 1. Turbodiesel engine, TDI 360. The Multivan comes equipped with a 2.0-liter turbodiesel engine producing 110 kilowatts of power and 360 Nm of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, this engine delivers smooth performance and impressive fuel efficiency, with a claimed consumption of 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers. The front-wheel drive setup ensures stable handling, ideal for long highway drives. 2. E-Hybrid 4Motion, plug-in hybrid. The new e-hybrid combines a 1.5-liter TSI 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor powered by a 19.7 kWh battery. This powertrain delivers 241 brake horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, offering brisk acceleration and an all-electric range of up to 59 miles. The inclusion of all-wheel drive in this variant enhances traction, making it suitable for diverse terrains. The hybrid system promotes eco-conscious driving, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. The Multivan's MQB Evo platform provides a comfortable ride with improved refinement and agility compared to its predecessors. Its lightweight construction and advanced suspension system contribute to precise handling, even when fully loaded. Interior and comfort. The interior of the 2025 Multivan prioritizes flexibility and premium comfort. With seating for up to 7 passengers, the modular layout is the highlight. Each seat is mounted on a rail system, allowing for easy removal, sliding, and rotation. This versatility suits families needing space for strollers or gear, as well as professionals requiring a mobile office setup. Premium materials and attention to detail create a luxurious cabin atmosphere. Standard features include heated front seats with manual adjustment and lumbar support. Tri-zone climatronic climate control with vents for all rows. A configurable 10.25-inch digital cockpit and 10-inch infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. 8-speaker audio system for immersive sound. For added convenience, the Multivan offers multiple USB-C ports and ample storage solutions throughout the cabin. Optional upgrades like leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, and advanced infotainment features further elevate the experience. Technology and safety. Volkswagen ensures that the 2025 Multivan is equipped with cutting-edge safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, autonomous emergency braking (AEB) with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist and active lane centering. Rear cross-traffic alert and parking assist with 360-degree sensors. Driver fatigue monitoring and reversing camera. 7 airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags. The vehicle's 5-star ANCAP safety rating reinforces its reputation as a secure choice for families and professionals. Additionally, the infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring it remains future-proof with the latest software enhancements. Customization and packages. Volkswagen offers several optional packages to tailor the multivan to specific needs. 1. Goodnight Package, ideal for camping enthusiasts. This package includes a foldable mattress, block-out blinds, camping chairs, and more. 2. Vis-a-vis Conference Seat Package, transforms the interior into a mobile office, with rear-facing second-row seats and a multifunction table. 3. Multifunction Table. A rail-mounted table with cup holders and a foldable tabletop, perfect for family trips or professional meetings. 4. Panoramic Sunroof, enhances the cabin's brightness and creates an open, airy feel. These options allow buyers to customize the multivan to meet diverse lifestyles, whether focused on leisure, business, or family travel. Market positioning and pricing. The 2025 Volkswagen Multivan is priced competitively in its segment. Starting at approximately $75,990 for the TDI 360 Life SWB variant and $78,990 for the LWB version, it rivals the likes of the Kia Carnival and Hyundai Staria. While its competitors offer strong value propositions, the multivan stands out with its premium features, hybrid technology, and superior modularity. For those opting for the e-hybrid 4Motion, the increased efficiency and environmental benefits justify the higher price point, especially for urban users looking for a sustainable alternative. Conclusion. The 2025 Volkswagen Multivan is a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to innovation and versatility. It caters to a wide range of needs, offering spacious interiors, advanced powertrains, and a wealth of safety features. Whether used for family outings, professional purposes, or as an adventure-ready vehicle, the multivan excels in every role. Its seamless integration of comfort, technology, and practicality ensures that it remains a top choice in the premium people mover category. For those seeking a well-rounded, adaptable vehicle with an eco-conscious edge, the 2025 Multivan is an excellent investment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting updates.